do a gentle check-in with all three aspects of your wealth this week, shall we? Let's do a mind check. How are your thoughts about money today? Are they anxious? Are they peaceful? Are they confused? Are they confident? I want you to notice it without judging it. And let's do a body check. How does your body feel when you think about your finances? Tense, relaxed, tight in your chest, calm in your belly? Breathe into any tension you notice and then let it be exhaled. Let's do a wallet check. What's one thing you can do for your financial health this week? Maybe it's organizing an account, saving 20 bucks, or learning something new about money. Remember, wealth includes mental wealth, physical wealth, and financial wealth. All three deserve your attention and care. You're not just building a bank account. You're building a life of abundance in every single way. So what area needs your attention this week? Mind, body, or wallet? Share what you're focusing on. I'm Deborah Morrison, supporting your wealth in all of its forms.